Oh, this one's really deep. Ah, mine died too.
I know.
Here, pull the front end, just by the light bar. Oh, sorry. Not yet.
Put it in neutral. It'll help you when it touches the ground.
Yeah.
I'm floating, my phone went for a swim.
Oh.
Waterproof, eh?
No.
Oh, no. Alright.
Are you gonna do it?
You gonna try?
Go film them. Walk all the way in there.
Oh, man. Pin it. Let's go. Hell yeah. Keep coming. Don't stop. Don't stop. I'll push you. I'll push you. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Don't let go of the throttle. Don't let go of the throttle. You gotta push it. Let's go.
My phone?
I could try, yeah.
Yeah.
Put it in my bag, man. Just put it in my bag. Whatever you have, real quick.
You could have told me hip waders, Gio.
Hey.
You could have told me to bring hip waders.
Man, we usually take a different route.
Oh, thanks for bringing me this way.
I didn't remember, man. I just started going through. I went through first. You want to throw it in neutral? I knew the second with I know mine well, that like to the point I knew when to jump off and just ride it. I'm like, oh, I wish I was on the other side.
Oh yeah. I've done that before. My boots are the same right now.
What? Water getting that too?
Yeah, bro, that's what we're doing.
Oh. How you feeling right now, Matt?
I'm a little flooded. Mint.
Brand new, never used. Oh no! Watch out, Kirk. Sorry, buddy. Oh, dude, what'd you do? You gave it a bath, huh?
That's it, a mud bath.
Yeah.
You know, it's good for the skin.
Everyone's having issues here. Let's see if I have issues.
Hey, Gio.
Hey?
Need your gas tank.
What do you need my gas tank for?
The gas.
I need to turn this on. It's not even starting now. Look.
Because it's off.
Oh. Say that again for the camera, because you are right.
No, there is always some dumb reason why Gio's machine doesn't start. It's because it's always off, or there is no gas.
It's always user error. But look, the still starts. Hey! Hard to see. You want to explain what you're trying to do, Matt?
Well, on the bottom of the breather is look for the airbox. So I'm gonna cut the end off there.
You want to bring the bike up a little bit? At least we're on dry land.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Never mind.
Yeah, you should have seen it. You were gone. We come to the first, or one of the first puddles over there, and this guy just slowed right
How did that feel when you did that? I'm sure it's on camera.
It's all good.
Oh yeah. Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's